the ones that I think if you would ask 10 people, at least 9, including myself, would say their favorite tool is the Cerebro.
Yeah.
For the keyword research. Almost everybody. Like we've got some features that are very unique. The one that everybody loves is the historical feature, where I could see, of course, hey, where are products ranking now?
Yeah.
Or in the last 30 days. But maybe I have a seasonal product, and this is my first year selling Christmas time. I don't have my own data to look at what happened before. Right now, maybe I could. It's December, but let's say in October I was preparing my listing for December. The search volume for and keywords for Christmas are not being searched in October. But we have like time machine where like, hey, let me look at one of my competitors who was selling last year, who was selling in 2022 in November, in December. What keywords were driving the sale? So you could do that. So I think a lot of people know about that function, but the one that I think is almost just as valuable in a different way that 99% of Helium 10 customers I think are ignoring is something called the Amazon recommended rank. What that means is it's a column there that almost nobody looks at. That is a direct feed from Amazon API. This is not a Helium 10 estimation or some algorithm. And basically, we discovered, and every time I say this, I'm shocked. We have had this for 3 years. Still, nobody else has discovered where we're getting this. But we have discovered a metric in Amazon. Maybe we're the only ones who have access. I don't know. But where for every product going to at least 1,000 keywords, it ranks the top 1,000 keywords that Amazon thinks is relevant to the product. And so it's a way where you can kind of like understand, hey, what does Amazon think my product is? Because those top keywords, if I get any activity on it, it's going to be very good for, I'm going to be able to rank, I'll get lots of PPC impressions. But if the rank is low or it's not one of the top 1,000 keywords, sometimes you can't get impressions in PPC, and maybe I do get a sale, but my ranking doesn't go up. So it's like a very important metric, and Cerebro is the only tool that has that.